How to share your location on Google Maps very quick and simple. Hey everybody, welcome back, and um, in today's video we are going to guide you step by step, instruct you in order to do so. So let's just get started. Open the Google Maps application on your mobile device. First of all, you can just go over and open up the maps on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed in into your Google account. Now, in order to initiate sharing your location on Google Map, it is pretty easy. From here, look out for your profile picture or the initial in the top right corner and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you will be finding your account, including an option called location sharing. So go ahead and tap on the option called location sharing. And once you tap on it, here you will be finding this option right here. You can just go over and tap on this option called new share and tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you will be finding a location, like how you would like to share your real-time location. You can select the contact that you want to share with by tapping on the profile picture or the name. You can even search for the contact or a share link. Also, you can choose how long you want to share your location, for example 15 minutes, 1 hour, or until you turn that off. So you can do those, and once you do so, you can select either of the messaging platform in order to share it, and that information will be shared. And whenever the person will be using the link provided by you, they will be able to see your real-time location on Google Maps. And that's it. So therefore, that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.